Hey there, I'm at one of my favorite places in the whole entire world. Now you might think I'm a little insane because it's about 25 degrees out and it feels even colder with the wind, but it's a beautiful day here in Michigan. The snow's been blowing all night, so we got some pretty cool formation. We got a little drift right here, that's pretty neat. It almost looks like a frozen wave. Some open water out there, and the ducks are definitely gathering out there. It's like quite the duck party out there in the morning. Wow, look at all those ducks out there. There's an interesting little critter, a little Arctic muskrat. I wonder what he's looking for out on that ice. Let's head on back. It's pretty chilly out here. I was hoping to see a raptor of some sort today, but looks like it's not going to be the day. Peace. We out.